Hi, I'm Sonia, and these are Cadoozles Mechanical Pencils by Zebra. Cadoozles Mechanical Pencils are designed to fit the petite hands of little learners. Cadoozles feature a medium point, and the lead is equivalent to a number 2 pencil. To release the lead, simply push down on the large eraser. Refilling is easy too. Just remove the eraser and replace with 0.7mm lead refills. These pencils come in an assortment of fun prints and colors to help keep your little one engaged and creative. Make learning fun by adding Cadoozles Mechanical Pencils to your cart today.